The market was closed for one day after the sad event, and we opened on the Tuesday following the Easter Sunday attack. And there was, on the initial day, we saw a bit of foreign outflow, but things have eased back, and we see foreigners coming into the market as well. And within the last month, we've seen about 3.6 billion rupees of inflows.
And how active has the EPF, the Employees Provident Fund, the state's biggest pension fund, been? And do you expect them to continue to be active buyers in this market?
Sri, I'm happy to tell you that the Employees Provident Fund, which was not active in the market for a long time, came back into the market post the unfortunate event of Easter Sunday. So that's a good strong message to the investing community that there is going to be strength, stability, and that there is confidence in our ability to bounce back. And the EPF has come back into the market.
How concerned are you about a pickup in volatility as we move closer towards presidential elections in January next year?
I think that's more or less factored in, Sri, because we knew that this is going to be an election year. So I think part of that has already been factored into the price, into the discount, into the attractiveness of our market as of now. So what we will need to now be able to overcome this the short setback that we had, and by and large go forward confidently towards the end of the year and the presidential election that's we are heading for.
And you're here in Singapore. Why? Just break it down for us at this Sri Lanka Invest Forum. And what's been your message to investors here in Singapore, right?
So we planned the Invest Sri Lanka Forum, Sri, about 2 months ago. And even after the heinous crime of Easter Sunday, we decided that we are not going to postpone this. And there was an overwhelming range of support from the business community, the investing public, when we reached out to them to sort of get their feedback, and the listed companies who thought, no, we must not postpone, we must go ahead and have this. So we are having a very successful investor forum as we speak, right down in the Ritz-Carlton, and we're looking forward. Most of the companies, the listed companies here from Sri Lanka that we brought over here, are having meetings throughout the day with potential investors.
And can you give us a sense of what's going to provide the Sri Lankan markets, the equity markets, with the next leg higher, and just give us a sense of new listings that we can perhaps expect, and the privatisation process?
Liquidity has always been an issue, Sri. Whilst our valuations are good, the markets, the infrastructure is good, our trading platform is good. It's always been, liquidity has been one area where we've been constrained. So we are confident that we will be able to, hopefully, with a few privatizations coming through, that we will be able to increase market liquidity.
Can you give us a clue on what those privatizations could be?
Two entities were cited or shortlisted, the Hilton and the Sheraton, and we are hopeful that we will be able to see a listing of either or both before the end of the year.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.